Alright. Alright, Terrence. Go for it.
Here.
Alright. I need my gloves on.
Whoa. Over here.
Okay, go.
Watch what I do. You ready?
I'm scared. Go for it.
Your helmet down.
Helmet down?
Helmet
All the way down?
All the way down.
Okay.
You ready?
But I can't see.
I know it. You ready? Are you looking?
I can't. What? I don't know if I'm. Oh shit! Holy shit! You can see what. That's crazy! Wait, so what happened?
So what did I do? I just welded from there to there across the seam.
So there's nothing. So you can't pull that apart now.
Well, yeah,
Without-
I'll bet you if we undo the clamps and I pulled them apart, okay, I bet it would fall apart. You could rip it apart, depending on how well you welded it. So now, what I propose to do is I'm going to bring it forward.
Is that metal still soft? Like you could break it apart? Like I don't want you to. I'm just curious. Is it? No, leave it. Let's fuck with. Oh!
So
It's hot. Damn hot.
So it was not welded enough to call it a good weld.
So what do? We gotta weld this thing together, Doc.
Exactly. So put it back together, put in the clamp, and we'll weld it better. Okay.
You telling me this thing goes up to 88 miles an hour?
Okay.
What about this side?
Crank it just to get it there.
All right.
We're good. Now,
Good? Okay.
let's do this.
I want to try it.
Once again, let's put it that way because those touch.
If they touch, it's like...
Sparks are gonna fly.
Okay.
Put that
Okay,
there.
go.
No, you gotta do it.
I gotta do it?
You
Wait,
gotta-
wait. Tell me one.
This, you've got to weld that whole joint. Okay, see the joint between those two.
Okay.
Okay, weld them together.
Okay. But I keep this thing down, and what do? I just press that trigger thing?
Let me do this. Let me give you this one. The difference between that helmet and the... All right,
What?
you can also undo this. Like that, okay?
Yeah, I knew that. Whoa. Don't spark me.
Undo that one.
Okay. I got it.
Okay? Make this thing 15. All right.
Oh, I can see in this one.
I know it. And the minute it starts to spark, it
This
will
is the
protect your
fanciest
eyes.
welding
It's
mask
fancy.
I've ever used.
Before that, this was the fanciest one you ever used.
That's a good point.
Clip it on. Now
All right.
do this.
Easy! I'm a virgin.
Is it good?
A little tight.
All right. Get on the fucking chair.
Okay.
Now put it down.
Okay.
And now you can still see, can't you?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now,
Okay.
don't touch it
I
yet.
won't,
Or
I
I'll go
won't.
blind. All right. You know where you gotta go. That joint. Okay. You gotta go back and forth, gently, slowly.
Left, right?
Left, right. Melting both steels together.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Now. So, like this?
I can't see a fucking thing.
Well, I
Well-
won't press it. I promise. So I'm doing.
There's no pressing. There's no pressing anything.
Oh yeah, I gotta press
No,
this.
no, don't press a fucking thing. You touch the metal, it's gonna go bazoom.
I didn't fucking know that.
Yes. Don't touch your thing.
You gotta tell me that.
All right, ready, go. Weld it up.
All right.
Slow.
Jesus Christ! I didn't know that was gonna happen. You gotta tell me that. I thought I had to press this. I thought this was a trigger.
No, you just touch it and it's gonna weld.
Okay. There you go.
Okay?
Okay.
You ready?
Okay. Yeah!
A little closer. Closer, closer. Closer, closer. Keep going down. Keep going down. There you go. Closer. Little tighter. Little tighter. Keep going. Closer, closer. Keep going. Closer, closer. You're melting the steel. Come on, go closer. Keep going. Closer. There you go. Come on. Slower, 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 slower. There you go. Closer, closer. Now you're cooking. Keep it closer. Closer. Closer.
Are you fucking serious?
Done.
Are you fucking?
You just welded.
That's crazy.
You just did it.
Look at it, it's fucking glowing.
Yes, it is.
That is cool. That is cool. Wow. That is cool.
You just stick welded. Don't touch that.
Okay.
We'll all get
It's
shot.
still glowing.
I know it.
Why didn't you tell me how cool this is? What do I do?
What if you set it down gently?
That was so cool. I'm
Now-
a welder.
Now, see if it'll fall apart.
All right. I'm sorry. Is it safe for me to take this off?
Yeah. Here's another thing. Is then